Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and tech gear. Today, we've got something compact yet powerful on the docket, the Amazon Basics computer speakers. Stick around as we dive into the details and sound quality of these USB-powered speakers. First up, let's talk about the form factor. These Amazon Basics computer speakers are designed to be compact and portable. They're powered via USB, which means no bulky power adapters to deal with. Just plug them into your computer, and you're good to go. Setting up these speakers is a breeze. It's a simple plug-and-play affair. No need to fiddle with drivers or software installations. Just connect them to your computer, and you're ready to rock. Plus, there's a convenient volume control right on the front for easy adjustments. Now, let's talk about compatibility. These speakers aren't picky. Whether you're using a desktop, laptop, iPhone, iPad, Samsung Galaxy device, Kindle, MP3 player, or virtually anything with an audio output, these speakers have you covered. It's versatility at its best. Alright, the big question. How do these speakers sound? Despite their compact size, they manage to deliver clear and bright sound. With a frequency range of 103 Hz to 20 kHz and a total RMS power of 2.2 watts, they can fill a room with your favorite tunes or enhance your multimedia experience. But wait, there's more. If you ever need a bit more privacy or want to focus on your audio without disturbing others, you can easily plug in your headphones into the 3.5mm jack on these speakers. It's a thoughtful feature for those moments when you need to keep it low-key. In conclusion, the Amazon Basics computer speakers offer a convenient and budget-friendly way to upgrade your computer's audio. They're compact, easy to set up, and compatible with a wide range of devices. Plus, they manage to deliver surprisingly good sound quality given their size and price point. And there you have it, our review of the Amazon Basics computer speakers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video as we continue exploring the world of tech. This has been Product Critique, signing off.